Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting the device and reducing interruptions. Power off or use airplane mode, then lay the watch face down on a microfiber cloth. Next, identify the two tiny release buttons at each strap lug and press one firmly while sliding the strap sideways. Do the same on the opposite side. This disengages the locking rail. Once the first strap clears the slot, set it aside. Make sure to keep small parts together, because losing a tiny connector can stop reassembly later. Now you'll fit the replacement strap by lining up the metal rail with the watch's internal track. Orientation matters because the locking mechanism engages only one way. Slide the strap straight into the slot. Do not angle it and push until you hear or feel a definitive click, which indicates the latch engaged. Once clicked, give the strap a firm, gentle tug to confirm the connection. If it moves, repeat alignment and reinsert. Once both sides are secure, you're ready to adjust sizing and wear the watch. Finish by sizing the strap so it's snug yet comfortable. About 1 finger's width clearance is ideal. Then test sensors, side button, and touchscreen to confirm normal operation. If haptics or heart rate readings seem off, reseat the strap and ensure the watch sits flush against your wrist. If a strap won't lock, don't force it. Instead, inspect the rails and slot for dirt or a bent rail. Once clean and straightened, retry insertion. If problems persist, swap straps to isolate a hardware fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.